Welcome to the Homeowner's Guide to Heat Pumps, brought to you by Endless Energy, your mass-save heat pump leader. Heat pumps versus oil and gas. A common question is, will a heat pump save money compared to oil or gas? The answer comes down to efficiency. Traditional heating systems burn fuel to create heat. Heat pumps work differently. They transfer heat instead of generating it. Heat pumps operate at 2 to 4 times the efficiency of many conventional heating and cooling systems when compared on an annual basis. Can homeowners lower their heating bills? That higher efficiency may translate into lower operating costs, especially when compared to oil. A high-efficiency heat pump may qualify for mass-save rebates and incentives. Another big advantage is that a heat pump can both heat and cool, so you no longer need to buy 2 pieces of equipment. Just one unit provides year-round comfort. What affects operating cost? Factors like insulation, home size, and energy rates all influence actual savings. The first step is understanding how your home performs today. If you're considering a heat pump, schedule your no-cost home energy assessment today. Endless Energy is a mass-save heat pump leader, featured in the Ductless directory, recognized as a Ductless All-Star, and featured in USA Today for their achievement in home energy efficiency. Based in Marlborough, with additional locations in Needham and Randolph, Massachusetts. Get your no-cost home energy assessment. You may qualify for mass-save rebates and incentives. Call 508-501-9990 or visit goendlessenergy.com.